Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create a public profile on Snapchat. Now to begin the process, open the Snapchat application. On the Snapchat camera page, you need to tap on the profile icon on the top left, tap that. Now here on the profile page, you need to scroll down and there in Spotlight and Snap Map, you will have the option available beside it. You tap that options. It will show you create public profile. You tap that. Show your name. Any snaps you send on Spotlight or Snap Map will now show your name. Anyone who views this snap or your lenses will be able to subscribe to your account. You tap and continue. Build your public profile. Tap and get started. Creating a public profile. By creating a public profile, you will show your name on any snaps you have ever posted to Spotlight or Snap Map. You can edit or delete your public profile at any time on Snapchat. So tap on create, and just with that your public profile has been created. There's the separate category. You click that. Now here you will be able to edit your profile. So this is how you can create your public profile on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.